G'day mates, let's hit the road. Welcome to another captivating adventure with VueX, y'all. This time we're diving headfirst into the wild, wonderful world of Aussie road trips. We're talking epic landscapes, cuddly critters, and adventures that'll make you say g'day to your adventurous side. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or a first-time explorer, Australia has a route waiting to steal your heart. From the iconic Great Ocean Road to the rugged Outback, we've got a trip for every taste bud. So buckle up, slather on that sunscreen, and get ready for some serious wanderlust because we're about to embark on an unforgettable journey through the land down under. Get those playlists ready, charge those cameras, and pack your sense of adventure because we're about to hit the road and uncover some of the most amazing Aussie experiences out there. Cruising the Great Ocean Road, where the wild things are. All right, adventurers, first up, we're hitting the pavement on the iconic Great Ocean Road. Picture this: wind in your hair, the salty air on your face, and breathtaking views of the Southern Ocean. This is what dreams are made of, people. This 150-mile stretch of pure Aussie magic will take you past rugged cliffs, pristine beaches, and those iconic 12 Apostles giant limestone stacks that'll leave you speechless. Trust me, you'll want to make time for photo shoots galore. Now let's talk travel time. You could zoom through in a day, but why rush paradise? I say take your sweet time, maybe 3 to 5 days, to really soak it all in. Hike through ancient rainforests, catch a glimpse of koalas chilling in eucalyptus trees, and maybe even spot some whales frolicking offshore. Speaking of koalas, pack your patience, folks. These furry little guys are adorable, but they're also masters of camouflage. Keep your eyes peeled and your cameras ready. Weather-wise, expect the unexpected. It's Australia, after all. Pack layers, a raincoat, and a good sense of humor. And don't forget your swimmers. The beaches along the Great Ocean Road are calling your name. Oh, and one more thing. Watch out for those kookaburras. These cheeky birds are notorious for swooping down and stealing food right out of your hands. It's hilarious, unless it happens to you. So there you have it. The Great Ocean Road, a must-do for any Aussie adventure. Sydney to Brisbane, Cityscapes and coastal escapes. Next stop, we're cruising from the bustling cityscapes of Sydney to the sunny shores of Brisbane. This journey promises a blend of urban excitement and coastal relaxation. This coastal drive is a feast for the senses, with something for everyone. From breathtaking ocean views to charming small towns, every mile offers a new adventure. We'll kick things off in Sydney, where you can climb the Harbour Bridge, snap a selfie with the Opera House, and soak up those city vibes. The energy here is contagious. Trust me, the view from the bridge is worth every step. It's an experience that will leave you in awe of the city's beauty. Once you've had your fill of city life, it's time to hit the road and head north. The open road awaits, promising new sights and experiences. Pack your swimsuit and your sense of adventure because we're about to explore some of the most stunning beaches Australia has to offer. The crystal clear waters are perfect for a refreshing dip. First up, we'll stop at Hunter Valley, a wine lover's paradise. Here you can indulge in some of the finest wines and enjoy the serene vineyard landscapes. Indulge in some world-class vino and soak up the picturesque vineyard views. It's the perfect place to unwind and savor the moment. Don't forget to grab a bottle or two for the road. These wines make for great souvenirs or gifts for loved ones. Next, we'll make our way to Port Macquarie, home to a charming coastal town and a thriving koala population. It's a must-visit for nature lovers. Visit the Koala Hospital and learn all about these cuddly creatures. It's a heartwarming experience that highlights the importance of wildlife conservation. As we continue north, we'll pass through Byron Bay, a haven for surfers, hippies, and anyone who loves a laid-back vibe. The atmosphere here is truly unique. Catch some waves, browse the local markets, or simply relax on the beach and soak up the sun. Byron Bay offers a little something for everyone. Finally, we'll arrive in Brisbane, a vibrant city with a relaxed, tropical vibe. It's the perfect end to our coastal journey. Explore the South Bank parklands, visit the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary, or take a stroll through the city botanic gardens. There's so much to see and do here. This trip is best enjoyed over a week or two, giving you plenty of time to explore each destination at your own pace. Take your time and savor every moment. The weather along the coast is generally warm and sunny, but it's always a good idea to pack for all seasons just in case. Be prepared for any adventure. So there you have it, Sydney to Brisbane, a coastal road trip that'll leave you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready for your next adventure. Happy travels! Chapter 3. The Savannah Way, Outback Adventures and Ancient Wonders. Hold on to your hats, adventurers, because we're about to embark on an epic journey through the heart of Australia, the legendary Savannah Way. This is not your average road trip, folks. This is the real deal. Rugged landscapes, red dirt roads, and starry nights that'll take your breath away. We're talking a whopping 2,175 miles of pure outback adventure, stretching from Cairns in tropical North Queensland all the way to Broome in Western Australia. This is a journey for the brave, the bold, and the slightly crazy. But trust me, it's an experience you'll never forget. Get ready to witness the untamed beauty of Kakadu National Park, home to ancient rock art, cascading waterfalls, and an abundance of wildlife. Keep your eyes peeled for crocodiles, wallabies, and maybe even a dingo or two. Next, we'll venture into the rugged beauty of the Kimberley region, with its dramatic gorges, pristine swimming holes, and breathtaking sunsets that'll paint the sky in 1,000 shades of orange and pink. Now let's talk logistics. This is a serious undertaking, folks. We're talking at least 2 weeks, preferably more, to truly experience all that the Savannah Way has to offer. Make sure your vehicle is up for the challenge, pack plenty of water and supplies, and be prepared for some off-road adventures. Weather-wise, expect the unexpected. The Outback can be scorching hot during the day and surprisingly chilly at night. Pack layers, sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, and a good sense of humor. Oh, and one last thing, don't forget to look up at the stars. With minimal light pollution, the Outback offers some of the most incredible stargazing opportunities on the planet. You might even spot a shooting star or two. So there you have it, the Savannah Way, an epic adventure that'll test your limits, reward your senses, and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. From the rugged terrains to the serene night skies, every moment on this journey is a story waiting to be told. So gear up, stay safe, and let the adventure of a lifetime begin. Chapter 4. Tasmania's East Coast Island vibes and wildlife encounters. Ahoy, mateys! Get ready to set sail for adventure as we explore the stunning east coast of Tasmania, Australia's island gem. This place is like stepping into a storybook, with its rugged coastline, charming seaside towns, and wildlife encounters that'll make your heart sing. We'll start our journey in Hobart, Tasmania's vibrant capital city. Explore the historic waterfront, ride the cable car up Mount Wellington for breathtaking views, and indulge in some of the freshest seafood you'll ever taste. From Hobart, we'll wind our way up the east coast, stopping at picturesque fishing villages, pristine beaches, and national parks teeming with unique wildlife. Keep your eyes peeled for wombats, Tasmanian devils, and those adorable little penguins. Speaking of penguins, a visit to Bicheno is a must. Witness the magic of the nightly penguin parade as these adorable creatures waddle ashore after a long day of fishing. It's an experience you won't soon forget. For the nature lovers, Freycinet National Park is a must-see. Hike to the iconic Wineglass Bay lookout for breathtaking views, explore secluded coves, and soak up the tranquility of this natural wonderland. Tasmania's east coast is best explored at a leisurely pace, allowing ample time to soak up the scenery, savor the local cuisine, and embrace the island's laid-back vibe. A week to 10 days should give you a good taste of what this magical island has to offer. Weather-wise, Tasmania can be a bit unpredictable. Pack for all seasons with layers, a raincoat, and comfortable walking shoes. And don't forget your camera. Every corner of this island is a photographer's dream. So there you have it, Tasmania's East Coast, a journey filled with natural wonders, charming towns, and wildlife encounters that'll leave you wanting more. Chapter 5. The Nullarbor Plain, crossing the Great Australian Bight. All right, adventurers, buckle up for the ultimate Aussie road trip challenge, crossing the Nullarbor Plain. This is one of the most iconic and demanding road trips you can undertake in Australia. This is not for the faint of heart, folks. It requires determination, preparation, and a spirit of adventure. This is a journey into the heart of Australia's vast and desolate outback, where the horizon stretches endlessly before you and the silence is broken only by the sound of the wind. It's a place where you can truly feel the immensity of the land. We're talking 745 miles of straight road, stretching from Ceduna in South Australia to Norseman in Western Australia. That's a lot of time to reflect and take in the scenery. It's a journey that will test your limits, challenge your perceptions, and leave you with a profound appreciation for the sheer vastness of this incredible country. The sunrises and sunsets here are nothing short of spectacular. Now let's be real, folks. There's not a whole lot out here. The landscape is stark and barren, with sparse vegetation. But that's kind of the point. The minimalism of the landscape is what makes it so unique and captivating. This is a journey about disconnecting from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and connecting with the raw, untamed beauty of the Australian outback. It's a chance to slow down and appreciate the simple things. That being said, there are a few highlights along the way. Unique roadside attractions and natural wonders await the keen-eyed traveler. Keep an eye out for curious wedge-tailed eagles soaring overhead, their majestic wings cutting through the sky. Spot wild camels grazing by the roadside, a surprising sight in this remote part of the world. And marvel at the Bunda Cliffs, towering limestone cliffs that plunge dramatically into the Southern Ocean. Now let's talk logistics. This is a serious undertaking, folks. Proper planning and preparation are essential for a safe and enjoyable trip. We're talking at least 4 to 5 days of driving, with limited services along the way. Make sure to plan your stops and refueling points carefully. Make sure your vehicle is in tip-top shape. Pack plenty of water, food, and fuel, and don't forget a first aid kit and spare tires. Be prepared for some long stretches of solitude. The isolation can be both a challenge and a reward. Weather-wise, the Nullarbor can be extreme. Conditions can change rapidly, so be ready for anything. Expect scorching hot days and chilly nights. The temperature swings can be quite dramatic. Pack layers, sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, and a good sense of humor. Staying comfortable and protected is key. Oh, and one last thing. Don't forget to embrace the silence. The quiet can be incredibly soothing and meditative. In our fast-paced world, it's a rare and precious gift. Take the time to enjoy it. So, there you have it. The Nullarbor Plain, a journey into the heart of Australia's vast and desolate outback, a test of endurance, and a chance to connect with the raw beauty of this incredible country. It's an adventure you'll never forget. And there you have it, folks. 5 epic Aussie road trips that'll have you saying g'day to adventure. From the rugged coastlines to the heart of the outback, Australia has something for every type of explorer. So what are you waiting for? Grab your mates, pack your bags, and hit the open road. And don't forget to share your adventures with us using "We can't wait to see where your Aussie adventures take you." Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.